Hi guys, so today we'll be solving this problem called lowest common ancestor of a binary tree. Let's understand what we need to do. So we've been given a tree and a p value and a q value, and we need to find the lowest common ancestor of these two values. So what is lowest common ancestor? The lowest common ancestor is the lowest node which is common between the two nodes which has been given to us. So we can see the lowest node which is common here is 3. Therefore, the output is 3 here. Let's understand another example. In this example, we've been given two nodes as 5 and 4 here. Now, the common node between these two, if you see, is the upper one. Okay. So therefore, the output is 5 here. Let's understand if we take any random node. For example, if we take 0 and 6, what is the lowest common node between these two? It is 3 again. Let's take 7 and 6. Okay, 7 and 6. What is the lowest common node between them? It is 5. um, let's take 1 and 2. So what is the common node? It is 3 again. Maybe we can take 6 and 4, which is the common node. 5. 2 and 4, the common node is 2. So the lowest common node we need to find. So how we can do it is in 4 steps. First of all, we'll check if the root's value is equal to the one of the values of the given two nodes. Okay, if it's equal, then we return the root. Okay, we otherwise we do a recursion to find the root in the left subtree, or maybe we can do a recursion in the right to find the node in the right subtree, because we don't know where the two values of p and q are. Maybe in the left, maybe in the right, or maybe in the right, maybe in the left. It can be anywhere. So after doing that, if we found a value for both of these, so if we found a value, if that means LCA1 is not equal to null, LCA2 is not equal to null, then we return the root. This is exactly what it is. That, for example, I found in the right subtree 5, and uh, in the right subtree I found 1, in the left subtree I found 5. Then I know the lowest common ancestor between these two would be the root of these two. For example, if I found um, 7 and 4, we need to find these two. Okay, we found 7 and 4, so the root of this would be the lowest common ancestor. Now coming to the edge case, which is if what if the p value is found earlier than the q value. Okay, so what if in this situation, we'll be handling that in the fourth step, which is if one of them is not null, then we return that one. Okay, see, you can see here, if one of them is not null, which means if we found p first. Okay, if we found 5 first, because we are traveling here and we have two values of p as 5 and q as 4, and we found 5 first, so we know that 5 would be the LCA here, because it is earlier in the uh, common ancestors. So that's what we need to do. Let's code it exactly what I've written. That's what we need to code, and it will be more clear to for you to understand. So first of all, we'll be checking if root is equal to null pointer, then we return null pointer. Otherwise, we have two conditions, which is if root's value is equal to p value, or root's value is equal to q value, then we return the root itself. Okay, and otherwise, I told you we will check in the left subtree for the nodes, which is same function we'll be copying, and we'll be doing a recursion, that is find it in the left subtree, p and q, 3 node star LCA2, root in the right subtree P and Q if LCA1 is not equal to null pointer null or and LCA2 is not equal to null, then we return the root of this LCA1 and LCA2. Otherwise, the edge case was that if LCA1 is not equal to null, whereas the other one is equal to null, then we return LCA1. Else we return LCA2. Okay. So that's what we need to do. Let's run the code to see if everything is working fine. Yeah. And that is accepted. So I hope you guys understood the problem. Do solve it and do like the video and share the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.